Good morning, children. So far we discussed Unit 2, that is MySQL, Unit 3, Computer Networks, Unit 4 and Social Impacts. Today we are going to deal with the first module and the first chapter, that is Data Handling using Python. Do you know what is Python Pandas? It is a package which is useful for data analysis and manipulation. Panda provides an easy way to create, manipulate and to wrangle the data. Panda provide a powerful and easy to use data structures as well as the means to quickly perform operations on these structures. Many of the data scientists uses pandas for its following advantages. It easily handles the missing data. It uses series, that is a new term for you people, series for one-dimensional data structure and data frame for multi-dimensional data structure. It is very similar to list and dictionary, which we had studied already. It provides an efficient way to slice the data into several segments. It provides a flexible way to merge, concatenate and reshape the data. Pandas are packages which can be easily downloaded from pip, that is PIP, Python interface packages. It is having many subdirectories. One among that is pandas. Let me discuss about the data structure in pandas. A data structure is a way to arrange the data in such a way that so it is accessed quickly and we can perform various operations on this data like retrieval, deletion, modification, etc. That we already studied in MySQL. We can store data, we can retrieve data, we can update. So how this can be achieved in Python is done through pandas. Normally, pandas deals with three data structures. The first one is series, second one is data frame and the third one is panel. We are having only series and data frame in your syllabus. We will in-depth deals with series and data frames in further modules. Thank you.